Boker Tov, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Shmuel, the running tour guide from Marathon Israel. We're at the Finger of Galilee, a fast, furious 15K. It's a beautiful one. It's one about enjoying the running community, helping each other achieve our personal bests. This vlog is going to give you a feel as to what it's like to bring your family, have a holiday, run fast, feel good, and really appreciate the fact that we can do these things. So remember to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and remember, Marathon Israel, we run everywhere. Enjoy it with us. Peace. A trip up north doesn't come cheap, but it is worthwhile. Or should I say worth wool?
Or he needs braces.
Yummy. Check out that goat, the greatest of all time.
1 hour later.
And we've arrived in Beit Hillel, got ourselves a beautiful home. This is the perfect place to relax prior to the race. Check out in the description, I'll post where we're staying. Looks lovely.
2 hours later.
And our holiday isn't complete without a braai, a barbecue, a grill, whatever you may call it. So we're getting it ready. This isn't Toblerone. This is something that'll start the fire. Let's do it, Kaya. Okay guys, check what happens to this red cream on top of the Toblerone. Whoa. Come on baby, light my fire. Okay, some of the most important advice you're going to receive on this vlog is probably right now, so concentrate. Firstly, fan the fire, get some flameage, and the most important part of a braai, of a barbecue, of a grill, call it what you want, is this. Ice cold beer. I happen to choose a Dutch beer. L'chaim. Okay, for any sensitive viewers amongst us, I apologize for the next 10 seconds. This is what's on the menu. We've got onions and potatoes wrapped in foil, Sinter, entrecote, burgers, and slices of Sinter. Let's braai.
I think the worst thing that was today
Say the best thing, don't say the worst.
was
Not the worst.
the smelliest.
Okay, that's the thing you like the least. What did you like the most?
Do you want burger?
The burger.
Burgers on a braai. And of course, a braai ain't complete without a marshmallow. Put them on, Kaya. And that's how you want them. Golden brown on the outside, soft and silky on the inside.
Tomorrow.
ברוכים הבאים למרוץ אצבע הגליל השני שלנו כאן בארמון החולה היפהפה.
ויש פה גם כמה אנשים שהגיעו מחו"ל. כשאומרים חו"ל אז אומרים שמואל שנקל שירוץ איתכם ויתעד אתכם ויראיין אתכם. שמואל בבקשה.
Good morning, Boker Tov to all of our English speakers, our international runners, and even Israelis that like hearing English. We are so happy you're here with us. Let's enjoy the running community. Let's help each other achieve our personal bests. This is the second running of the Finger of Galilee, Etzba HaGalil. Let's do it together and really enjoy the fact that we can do it. Woo! Marathon Israel, we run everywhere.
3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off on another one. This is going to be a fast one. Let's see what we can do 1 week after the Jerusalem Marathon. We'll see if there's any tired legs out here. Good morning! Go for it, for it. בוקר טוב. בוקר טוב. איך אתה מרגיש? One of Israel's top triathletes, top runners. This is a fast pace. What's the plan?
To win.
To win.
To win.
To win! That's a good plan. Off he goes.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, you're looking smiley and happy.
This is the best coach in the north.
What's your name, sir?
Wasim.
Wasim!
Yeah.
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير.
הכל טוב?
Yeah, הכל מצוין.
יופי.
מה חבר שלי, my friend?
What's your name?
Judith. Good morning.
Good morning, my friend. How are you?
Where you come from?
From Modi'in. Yeah.
Okay.
Looking good. Smile. Be strong.
What's up?
What's up, brother?
My name is Edward.
Edward. Where are you from, Edward?
I'm from the big city, Ma'alot, Tarshiha.
Oh, Ma'alot Tarshiha.
Yes.
Anything you want to say?
Yes.
Why did you come today?
Because I adore loving running in nature. And also because I am a rollerblade teacher.
A rollerblade teacher?
Yeah. I want to prove that I can be fast on without wheels.
There we go. Well, prove it to us. Go. Roll those wheels.
Yeah, I will try. Every race, I watch you.
Ah, good morning. How are you?
Very good.
Well, I'm watching you. You're running fast.
Really? Yeah. No, it's 3:55. I would like to slow it down for a bit.
Yes.
To 4 minutes per kilometer.
That's a good plan.
Yeah.
And we can enjoy sunrise together.
Yeah, of course.
Sunrise!
Good morning, my friend.
Hey, Yal.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I saw you at the Jerusalem Marathon.
Yes.
How was?
Jerusalem, Tel Aviv. It's very good.
Wow, you did both
Jerusalem.
marathons?
Yes, Jerusalem is beautiful.
It is, but look at this. Also beautiful.
This is my home.
Really?
You see, I live in here in this spot.
Wow. What a place, Eyal. We'll have a fast and happy run.
Thank you very much.
Kol hakavod.
Thank you.
There we go, 5k, 20:29. That's an average of 4 minutes and 6 seconds. The next 5, we're going to slow it down to 4:15s and see if we can hold on. What a flat route. What a beautiful route. This week we're in the valley. Next week we're in the volcanoes. Soon after that, the mountain of Tabor. And of course, Hermon, snow-peaked now, but in the summer when we do it, it's cool, crisp and clear. See you there. First drink, 7 k's in. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, shehakol nihiyeh bidbaro. Don't throw the plastic, especially in Agmon Hula, a KKL reserve, JNF reserve, keeping it clean. Go 5k runners! Kol hakavod! Chazak! Looking good! Enjoy the beauty! Woo! Yay! The wife of Yoram. She ran a podium not too long ago. Just started running less than a year ago. Well done. Kol העולם כולו גשר צר מאוד, גשר צר מאוד. All of life is a narrow bridge. Got to stay balanced. Stay on the bridge. A bridge over non-troubled waters. Love that number. Double digits. There we go. 41:19. Slowed it down to 4:09. Got to slow it down a little bit more. Or try hold on. Come on. Get it done. Kol hakavod. Chazak אתה. Thank you. Thanks to the photographers. Right, coming up to 11K. It's going to be time for some food. I wouldn't usually do this, but we're 4 weeks out of the Tel Aviv Marathon, 1 week out of the Jerusalem Marathon, non-paid promotion, 32 GI time, vanilla intense flavor. Let's do it. Next to the lake, 1K to go. Let's do this. Next to the bread basket. Sweet. There's the finish. We're gonna do it. What a beautiful run. This is a fast one. Let's look for the family. Oh, there they are. Woo! There we go, my one. Almost about to give birth. Yeah, what a strong one. Hey, Jude. All right, it's all about family. Let's do this. The finish of the 15K. Woo! What a run. What a beauty. Oh!
לא לשכוח לחייך לצלם שלנו. רוני אלוף.
Remember him from last year? Well done. You almost got me. איך אתה מרגיש?
תוצאות אנחנו קוראים שם חברים.
Here's the first lady coming in. Come in. Come on!
כל הכבוד למורה. מאוד שנה, כל הכבוד.
Well done. Wow, guys. Super day, super run. Stick with us. We're going to go have breakfast and we'll continue this vlog to give you a feel. What a beautiful holiday you can have here with smiling faces. What a running community. Oh, Adios!
Thank you.
Wow, I followed you the whole way, but I couldn't catch you.
It's very good.
איך אתה מרגיש?
Thank you very much. It's
Okay?
okay. Good.
From the holy city of Tzfat, one of the 4 holy cities, the place of Kabbalah. Come and run with a running tour guide. I'll take you there and Ayal will give you coffee. Oh! There's no question that your wheels are fast, even on your legs, not only on the rollerblades.
This is what I wanted to prove. Rollerblading is very good for your heart,
Yes.
because you do all your training in zone 2.
Right?
So you do 4 hours in zone 2, and it doesn't do anything to your how do you call it?
To your knees, to your ligaments, to your joints.
Yes, your joints are free, so you can do it 4 hours.
Right.
And then the result is you saw. A guy that is not a runner can perform like a decent runner.
So is this your personal best?
Yes,
Yes?
by 4 minutes.
Wow, guys, there's the proof in the pudding. The Adios Finger of Galilee 15K fast run. What's your name? Remind me.
My name is Edward.
Edward, who actually lives in Ma'alot Tarshicha.
And he's
a rollerblader.
Yes, and a coach for children.
And a coach.
Yes,
Let me put that on for you.
yes. Thank you very much. By the way,
Yes.
you are a serious runner. I saw you. You're talking, and your pace is very good. You're talking. This is crazy.
Thank you. It's all for the fun. Hey, Kaya! Yeah, you get this because you were there. And then you can give it to Livy also. I'll get one for the other kids also. Okay? Judah, you want one? You want one? I'll get you one. Come with me.
You are a serious runner. I didn't know that. No, I saw your pace.
Yeah? Where's the medals? Where are the medals?
Start.
Efo? Woo! Ken. Sim. Yay! Okay, now for Olivia. Yay! Well done, guys. Let's have a picture. Come. Yay! Here I am with the first lady, Moran. How was it?
It was fun, hard, and great weather.
Yeah. Was that a personal best for you? Don't know? What did you love about this race?
Quiet.
Quiet, me too. And the snow on top of Sherman.
Yeah.
Okay,
And also the views.
and also the view. So well done.
Thank you.
And we look forward to seeing you at more of our Marathon Israel events. Shabbat Shalom. Okay, same place, different year. We're back here with the youngsters, the future Olympians. How was it today?
This was my best run ever.
Was your best run ever?
Yes.
Better than last year?
I do 3 minutes enough. Less than last year.
3.5 minutes less. OMG, that's amazing. And you?
Same.
Same as last year. Yeah.
No, same.
No, same as me.
Same?
Yes.
Wow.
I do 1 second less than him.
Wow. Okay, guys, so here we have young, fit blood. We so enjoy having youngsters at our events. Sometimes it's for fun, but sometimes it's for pace. So well done. Shabbat Shalom to you guys. Yeah, it's breakfast time. Where's Chef Marathon Israel? Let's find him. There he is. Okay, so it's not only about the running, it's also about the food. Let me introduce you to Chef Marathon Israel. His name is Ilan. Ilan, boker tov, ma nishma? איך אתה מרגיש?
טוב, תודה רבה.
So friends, if you want to know what food you're getting at the end of the run, Ilan puts it together. It's really delicious and it's always fresh and it's always gorgeous. Thank you very much. Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom.
There we go. Philip, the legend, 66 marathons, I believe. Yes?
Yep.
You've done your 66 marathons.
Was the 66.
Wow.
I can still feel it in my legs.
Really? So the question
Hey,
is,
little lady, when are you going to stop running?
Well, he needs a coach like you and your wife. So tell me, what's the 67th run?
Amsterdam, hopefully.
Yeah. We'll see you next week in the volcanoes.
Of course.
There we go. So anything you want to share to the running community in Israel and to our international friends?
I don't know why you didn't come here. It's one of the nicest runs. It's flat. The view is magnificent. You can see the Charmon on one side.
There it is.
Yeah. And Manara, whatever its name is, on the other side.
Right.
It's just magnificent. This is one of the best runs in Israel, and it's a boutique run. You should run it.
There we go. Thank you, Philip. Enjoy your Shabbat, and we'll see you in the volcanoes of the Golan next week.
Yeah, sure. Can't wait.
Let's go. Let's eat. Marathon Israel, we run everywhere. The globe is our playground.
One hour later.
Okay, back at the holiday home, and it's time for a little post-run spirituality. An uplifting cup of coffee in this gorgeous green Finger of Galilee. Look in the description. Come and check it out. Beit Hillel. You yourself can come and stay here next time. Peace. Nothing like a little bit of spirituality in the Finger of Galilee. Okay, now that the race has been run, spirituality has been done, we've found ourselves this gorgeous spot next to the Jordan River. We're going to pack out a picnic and savor the beautiful Finger of Galilee together. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Plenty more of these coming your way.
Dadam, dadam, dadam,
Dadam,
dadam,
dadam, dadam, dadam, dadam, dadam, dadam. Oh boy, this is not good. Bye. Okay guys, I think I better sign off the vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed the Finger of Galilee. Make your way here. You can have fun and you can finish off with an ice cold float down the Jordan. Bye guys. I don't know where this is taking me. See you in the next one.